Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a video. I hope you guys are having a good and lovely day. Real quick before the video starts, if you guys could please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, and as well leave a like on the video. I would really appreciate it. It shouldn't take more than it shouldn't take more than 6 seconds, but that being said, let's get to the video. So today's video is going to be an interior mod. Well, it's not really a mod, but an interior design enhancement, I want to call it. So basically we're going to be installing some LED lights on the, is it called footwear? I think they're called footwear of my car. As you guys know, I do have a premium package, but for some reason it doesn't have the what you call it, the info buttons here, and it doesn't have the mic cutter clusters, which I do not understand. So I do know that the 2013 and 2014 Mustang have the LEDs glow under the footwell, which is something I do like about it. So today we're gonna go ahead and try to replicate that, which is pretty simple. All you just put some lights. Alright, so this is going to be the product right here. I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using the, I think it's called Gove right here, Gove brand. Originally I wasn't going to put those glows on in the inside my car other than my cluster, but it was kind of in the list, but it wasn't like 100% I was going to get it. But I got these for Christmas from my brother, from my older brother, so shout out to him. So in the package we get these instruction manual, and then we get a couple of zip ties, which always come in handy, and then we get the LEDs itself. So it has 4 LEDs. I'm gonna put one in the driver's side, one in the passenger side, and one in each side of the bottom of the seats, so it could have some in the back light too. And then it has this plug-in port right here, which is how it gets power, and it has these buttons right here, 3 buttons. I don't know what it's for. I think this one's for on and off. This one is for probably cycling through, choosing your cutter. So power off, choosing cutter. And I think this is for sound activate. I'm not sure, but I think I saw that it had like this option where you click it and it goes to the beat of the sound. But before I even get that far into installing it, I'm going to plug it in just to make sure it works. And they do work. Look at this. Oh, that's bright. We got this. Hey. Oh yeah, look. Alright. What's going on, guys? Hey. Oh, that's dope. That's really dope. And let's get this. I was about to say sheesh. I know I cussed in my Call of Duty games, but besides the point. Let's get this shizness done. Why did I say that? Alright guys, so I just now finished with the installation. It took me like not that long. It took me like an hour and 30 minutes. So as you guys saw in the beginning, I don't know how good the brightness is. Let me see. It's pretty good. So the aux cord, I had it coming out from the e-brake right here up to here, and then to my phone, and it will get in the way right here. That's why I didn't like it. So what I did was I brought it back in, put it up through here. It's going up through this panel right here, and through here, right there, through here, and it comes out through the back right here of the steering wheel and goes up to my phone. And then the lights, you guys saw it right here. This is actually a good spot. I've sticked it right here, and the wire goes through the e-brake right here, and then the connection, let me show you guys, is right there. That's the connection right there. This one has an on and off power too, so I could turn it off from here, or I could just turn it off from here. and I have the wire coming through this panel right here, like I showed you guys, and it was pretty easy. I basically just ran the first LED. Oh, they're actually on right now, you guys can see. So I ran the LED strip through right there in the bottom of the footwear for the driver's side, and I ran the wire through this panel right here, and it goes down through right here, and it comes out through here, as you guys can see. And I ran that wire, oh wait, right here, as you guys can see. I ran this wire down through here, and it connects to the back or the bottom of the driver's seat, and then it goes through the armrest in the bottom to there, then connects to the passenger seat right there, and then through I can speak to that panel right there as I did on the driver's side, and it comes up to right here the passenger side. So that's the setup right now. I'm going to come in later on the day, like at nighttime, so I can show you guys how it looks and how it works, because there is 3 buttons like I told you guys in the beginning. So I'll catch you guys at night. So here's the functions that you guys can see. The top one is to the on and off, the middle one is changed to through colors, and the bottom one is what's it called, sensor, what I don't know what's pronounced or what to call it, but let me show you guys what it is basically. So here I'm gonna turn it on, and then we have different colors, which is blue, this is like a greenish bluish, got like pink or purple, I think this is like a light color, like, you know, like a light bulb, got like a light yellow, a red, and then this is like orange, green, light green, dark green, blue, and it just goes through there. And then it has a sensor, like I told you guys. Let me put a color you guys can see. Whenever I talk, it goes to the thing. So it's like, for example, if you put music, I like this one's pretty dope. It goes through all the colors. Alright guys, and then there's also the app right here. I'm not sure how good you guys can see that, but you can see the LEDs right there. And if I change it, I can do that right there, like change it, change it, change it. And it was pretty simple to set up. We have the bright, oh that's dope, I didn't know you could do that. It is kind of bright, and you could literally dim it down. You guys can see. And then we have music, cutter auto, change cutter with the rhythm of sound. We got the cutter, and then we got this tab right here. You guys can see right there, kind of blurry though. That's the best I could do. Then we have the cutter wheel, which basically is like this. One thing I hate is that, like, if I'm moving it around, it doesn't switch it until I let it go. Once I let it go, that's when I activate it. And if I let it go, there. That's the one thing I do hate. But there we have it. Like I said, the last video, I don't know how good you guys can see me right now, but those were the underglow. I think it's called footwear. I'm not sure. They're pretty easy to install, pretty simple. And this looks like it's part of the car if you put it, like the wires under the panels and the carpet like I did. This was going to be a short video because, you know, it's something small like this. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and it'll help me. Well, it'll let me know that you guys want more of this type of content. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.